Today I'm going to share with you my Range Rover. This is 2010 year model. So today I'm going to share with you how to replace the tailgate struts. Mine are gone bad. They don't stay at one place. I can show it to you. So if you take a look, these are the two big ones. One on this side, one on that side. And they don't hold it in place. I'll show you. Look at this. They are totally gone bad. So it's very easy and a simple process. And without wasting time, let's get started. So this is the tailgate strut, and if you take a look right now, it's really dirty. So I'll wipe it off so you can see what I wanted to show it to you. There is a small cutout right here on this side and this side, and you need a straight screwdriver. You need to put the screwdriver here and then you push it out. These are pretty tight. Pull it back all the way. Put your finger right here so it won't fly out. And now, see, it's so easily it comes out. This is what I wanted to show it to you. Now I'm going to put it back again. So when I'm going to press it, if you see, that goes inside. So once it slides back, then it locks this bolt right here. And this is the other side. We have it taken out from the tailgate, and this is the other side on the body. We're going to do the same thing. Put the screwdriver, and then you pry it out. So you pull this one back, and then this one will come out. It unlocks it, and then we'll take it out. So this is the new one, and we'll do the same thing. We're going to put the screwdriver and we're going to unlock it. This is the metal piece. We push that one out. So what it does, it unlocks it. So now we're going to put it back. Once you put it in, it goes inside. Use the screwdriver again and push it back. And once it sits into the cavity, that's it. It locks in. And now we're going to put this one on the top side. We push the clip back, and on the other side, this is how it's gonna look. So once we push the clip back, now it will easily slides in. Once it slides in, with the screwdriver again, you push this clip back. As you can see, it locks in. So it sits perfectly fine. It stays there. As you can see, after replacing it, only one strut, this was gone bad. Even after replacing one, the tailgate, very heavy, but it holds in its place. So now I will do the same thing on the left side. So after replacing the other one also, both of these are replaced. And now, if you look at, if I leave the trunk right now, and it's gonna go up automatically. Now they are very strong struts. And if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. In case if you need to change yours, I'll list the part number under my description. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.